Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add an environment in Autodesk 3ds Max. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to rendering right here at the top. Now click on environment, or just basically press 8 to open up this mini window. So in here, what you got to do is just click on under environment right here. We have none. So click on it and just find bitmap. Okay. Double click on bitmap. And then here, just go and locate the photo that you wanted to use as your environment. Okay. So for example, this one right here, I'm just going to double click on it. There you go. As you can see, as fast as that, it has now been added. So if you want to modify the exposure control, go ahead and do so right here. The lighting, atmosphere, if you want to add some, okay. Or if you want to adjust it, just open up the material editor, press M, just like so. Now you can go ahead and check right here at the very bottom. You have the scene material map right here and the photo. Okay, you can just go ahead and drag and drop it right here. Instance, okay. Here we have it. Now here we have the coordinates. So what you'll do is adjust the coordinates right here, just the noise, bitmap parameters, for example, the tilting. Okay. You can go ahead and use this one however you want. The offset, just like so. All right. However you want. You can mirror right here, adjust the angles, rotate. All right. And once you're happy with that, you're going to go ahead and maybe, for example, we have this big box right here. Render it. All right, just wait for it. And here we have it. That's how easy it is to add an environment in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.